Hi, very good morning, all. This is 6th of January 2026. Here we are again for our live intraday Indian market analysis and trades. So, as a first rule, let's see what's up with Nifty and Bank Nifty. We saw a slight gap down in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, but we are quite bullish as well in this. So, let us see how the markets will unfold today. We had our major indices under watch list also. So that being the auto sector and also the metal sector. So let's see how they are performing and how they are unfolding. So we are seeing good movement in Hindalco. So the movement in Hindalco is very much compromising, and it is just breaking its all-time high day by day and every day. Um, so again today we have got a narrow CPR kind of a thing in Hindalco. This has a higher chance of getting on a bullish rally today. So let's wait for it. The price has already moved up 5 points in the option premium. So that is not one convincing thing, because we need to give big stop loss for it. And also Hindustan Zinc is also trying to break its previous day high. In auto sector, we are seeing Eicher Motors to be in the major watch list, but we have again the white CPR. Yesterday it was a very good bull run in Eicher Motors. So today most probably or likely they will try to continue this rally, given the bullish sentiment is across the auto sector. Bajaj Auto is also moving good, but it has to break its previous day high. So then in energy sector, we are not finding so good stocks. DVC, Tata Power, none of them. So if you see individually through sector wise, metal, PSU and pharma are working. So let us see metals again. So we are seeing Hindalco to be on the rally itself. They don't seem to be stopping at any point. 1 minute, it's just 2 minutes since the market has opened, and it is giving extraordinary move. Um, I think this will be scary at the moment to pick. Uh, Even though it moves another 5 to 10 rupees, we wouldn't care. But picking it up would be a risky bet, because the initial move itself is very huge. So we are not ready to give big stop losses for it. So any support or any rejection in prices we would be happy with. But you guys are seeing right away that it has moved 10 rupees in 4 minutes. So might be there be a intraday call yesterday as well, or when it is breaking out such levels, we should have carried it right away from here. But it has not happened. So let's wait, guys. Let's wait for new opportunities and new trades. So we are seeing now Eicher Motors to be moving above the previous day high. Um, will there be good sentiment in it? How is the auto sector? Auto sector is not breaking its previous day high or any range. So let us look at the pharma sector, Torrent Pharma. So Torrent Pharma is moving good. It has to break its previous day high. Um, it is looking good. What about its daily chart? Yeah, daily chart also suggests that we would wait for this bullish signal above the previous day high. So this is also one good stock, guys. As you can see, it is breaking the resistance of highs made on 12th to 10th to 12th November. So that is the case. And even Laurus Labs just opened gap up, and it is in the retracement. So about Nifty and Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty and Nifty had opened a bit low. Mean to say it was a flat opening by them. But now currently they are looking good. So let me just off the indicators. See Hindalco again. Hindalco has uh, the lines you see here, the blue lines, these are some indicators. So they are meaning to us to say that the market is extremely bullish and it was in a consolidating phase yesterday, and now it has given a move. It is very good, and we will see Vedanta is also trying to break its previous day high, so I'll just add an alert there. So if the prices are moving above this, we'll get an alert. So Eicher Motors, the strength from Eicher Motors is really good. The formation is also really good. So on a 1 hour also they have consolidated a bit yesterday after 11:15 to 10:15. So they have consolidated well. So let's see. Let's again check which sector is again holding. Again the same metal, PSU Bank, Pharma. So in Pharma, let's see. Uh, Divis Lab is also not so good, and we will see Tata Steel. Yesterday we had a eye on this Tata Steel. We had marked this level. Now it is trying to break that level. So Tata Steel currently looks good. What about its CPR? CPR is also kind of narrow. We can get the targets of 189. Are there any resistance? Previously, no. This is the all-time high the stock is making. So this can also be a stock investment, guys. So our partner is suggesting Torrent Pharma. Okay. Still the high is 3,900. So let them break 3,900 levels. So it's not about finding the good trade, guys. It's also about having the conviction, having many points in mind, whether the sector is getting the money flow or how is it. So we are overall bullish in the market. We are not trying to buck the trend. So let's see, let's wait. ICICI Prudential has moved well. So it's been in its up rally since 4 to 5 days. Maybe some good news internally. We are seeing Chola Fin to be performing good. Chola Fin has the narrow CPR as well. Let's see Chola 1800 call. 1800 call option of January 27th, trading around 43 rupees. Looking a bit okay. On a 5 minute chart, currently it is showing some selling pressure. So let's wait over there. MCX is also not so well. MFSL, the stock which actually went up pretty well yesterday, like came down very aggressively in the first 5 minutes, and most of the peoples who are traded or who kept the stop loss would have bid their stop losses, and it has moved up. So let's see which bank is actually supporting, guys. We again are seeing HDFC to be the leading stock towards downside. So we are seeing 1.3%, and Reliance is down 3%. This is massive, guys. I don't know why. We are also pretty questioning ourselves, because Reliance is one of the heavyweights, and it is beating aggressively. So we have an alert for Vedanta, which is breaking its previous day high. So on a 5 minutes chart, Vedanta 620 call. Vedanta 620 call. So the option is yet to break its high. So let's see. The option of 620 call has made its high yesterday around 20 rupees and 20 paisa. That is yet to break. Even the same thing around this. Let's see how this level will play out. Will it be held or it will be given up? So we need good dip in Hindalco now. We want 950 levels to be retested by it. So let's see. If it goes below this 951, it has chances to come down more. So let's see again if still metal is holding. Yeah, still metal is holding the Nifty. So yeah, the prices in Vedanta is slightly breaking. The option prices are looking good now, better than the spot price. So, or should we wait for a proper 15-minute close above the previous day high? So, because we haven't got still a 5-minute close also before, like after the previous day high, we haven't got a close yet. So that is what we are concerned. We just want the structure to happen like this. It will break and then retest it level and then move up. That is how we are looking for this. If we miss this trade also, it's of no bother to us. We are fine, but we don't want to be penny wise pound foolish. So let's see. We are looking at VDL, guys. VDL looks good. Yeah, it is picking up the pace well, and also with this 1 hour 1 minute retest, we can feel that is good. So just give me a minute, guys. I'll be on mute. Hi guys, we have just punched in order for Vedanta. So let's see how Vedanta stock will unfold. Uh, let's wait. Now for us, the major thing is it should not let out the level of 622.65, the low made by the previous candle. So anytime it goes around my stop loss, I'll just exit the trade, guys. You guys know me. We don't hesitate to book out of a trade if we can't hold on to its losses. So currently it's at a point where it's giving us some downside move, but we will have to wait. And I think our stop loss will be just triggered now. Yeah, I think our stop loss has triggered, guys. Uh, or should we wait for 1-2 minutes of movement? Okay. But this Hindalco stock is just pumping onto new highs, not even giving dip, a good dip. It's just we can see there is cringy movement that is there here. We are not getting a finite stop loss here, so that is the point. um, Vedanta should get stopped here. This will be the line for it not to break. So we want the level, as you guys can see, there is a small greener line. We want that level to be held by Vedanta and break the highs here. So let's see how it's gonna happen or not gonna happen. We are gonna witness both. Uh, Cholafin actually moved up well, guys, without giving any stop losses or so. They just moved up and we also missed it. So it's not about every stock that is going up we need to catch it. It's just that you need one stock, you need one good trade to make money for your day, and then get out of the market and look after any other thing you wanna do. So this moment now, it's not looking very good. Even on a 15-minute chart, it's not holding off to its level, and we saw clear rejection. And we also talked about it ki that should we wait for a 15-minute closure or a 5-minute closure above the previous day high. So that did not happen. That's why the pressure is being up still in the Vedanta. But as the overall sector is good, I think the stocks has to follow them. We are feeling the stock will follow it, but given that every other stock, example like Hindustan Zinc is now currently breaking off. So let's see, it has given a close above previous day high and also almost retested it. So we will see Hindustan Zinc 640 call. In some time I will update the stop loss for Vedanta. So but Hindustan Zinc has faced resistance um, right at the day high of the option premium. So we'll have to wait there again. No proper entry is given as of now, guys. We spoke about that green line. That green line is still held in the Vedanta. So we are okay but not happy. Let's see, I'm trying to look after and stop loss. My entry is around 20 rupees and 60 paisa around the day high made by the option. But I'm okay to give a stop loss of 1.6 rupees in the option premium. So I'm thinking, should I just upload the stop loss and keep quiet and let see how the market wants to unfold? I'll be just doing that, guys. I'll be updating my stop loss at 19 rupees for the option I have bought in Vedanta. I had bought it at 20 rupees and 60 paisa. I'm just updating stop loss for it at 19 rupees. So it's okay for me to lose 1.5 1.6 rupees as per my lot size. I would end up in a loss around 3.5 to 3.7k. So it's okay, but I don't want to be foolish holding this, because yeah, I think my stop loss would have hit. Yeah, my stop loss is hit and we have taken a loss for this trade. So Hindustan Zinc is also like trembling, and Hind Copper is not moving. Hindustan Zinc is no. Auto sector, Eicher Motors is picking up now, guys. So let's see if we can buy this. We have entered in Eicher Motors. Eicher Motors is currently giving a fresh breakout now. The immediate resistance is at this zone, but still it's okay. I think it's gonna break that as well. Again, our entries are at high only, uh, but we have to take this trade. It was important that we need to take that. So it is giving a good move, guys. Eicher Motors is on the move. Let's see. We need some proper closings and follow through of this rally. We don't want any backslashes or retracements again. We want the force shown by the Eicher Motors to continue in the next upcoming candle. You guys are seeing this is a new candle. Also, we need to watch how this 5 minute candle will close. Overall, it is looking good and healthy. So we have a follow through of the first 15-minute candle high. So that is the good thing that happened. Let's see, guys. I'll just be on mute. I'll just update if there is anything. Hi guys, we saw that there was a good move in Eicher Motors and it is kind of trembling at the moment. So what we have done is whatever the cost we have bought, we have logged so much of gains. That means we are not going to lose any money through this trade right now. So that is the setup what we have done, and we would like to give time for the Eicher Motors to pick it up and move on its upward journey. So let's see, guys. We have 1.5 minutes in the closure of this candle, and we are seeing amazing pull up in the prices. So our target is a bit huge because this is a daily and a hourly breakout that is happening in the chart. So let's see and let's wait, guys. We have locked off our money, whatever we have paid to the markets. So not an issue for us currently. So let's wait, guys. I will be on mute. I'll just be back if there is any update. Hi guys. Unfortunately, markets are cruel. They just hit our stop loss where we had kept, and whatever price we had bought, we had just logged out our gains and logged out our losses also. So they exactly came to our stop loss point. They hit our stop loss and they have moved up. It's okay. It's just a minute kind of loss for us because we lost whatever the commission we had paid to the markets. So that is fine. So other than that, we are seeing now good pattern forming in Bank Nifty. So let's see Bank Nifty and try if we can scalp out any gains over there. Uh, yeah, so you can see the Bank Nifty actually opened on the lower note, and uh, it was kind of uh, hunted all the stop loss which was there for the previous day. As you can see, yesterday's low was 59,857, and the market went up till 59,834. It was around 10 to 15 points. The stop loss hunt was done, and the market is rallying from there. So let's see who is supporting. Actually, we saw HDFC Bank to be very poor today, and ICICI Bank is moving up. So this one, guys, so yesterday we saw there was one good pattern that had formed in ICICI Bank. I think I had said this for positional buy also. So if you guys had just bought it yesterday, you would have been in 2.7% profits today just as an equity. So if you had bought it as an option, you would have been in 25 to 30% profits already. So that is a different case, but today the heavyweight ICICI Bank is supporting, and it has taken out all of its resistance for the day, and now we call it it is free to move any limit on its uh, day trading time. So that means we had the resistance at 1403. So from there, now it is trading 5 rupees above. That means now it has unlimited space for it to move on the upside. So we called market cruel, guys, but you can see Eicher Motors, it came down still more. It hit our stop loss and it went up, but we were sad. But now you can see it is also falling again rigorously. So sometimes we get saved, sometimes we get bashed. So that is the part and parcel of the game. So let's see Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Auto moved up pretty well after breaking its previous day high. So why didn't we pick this is because we had huge selling pressures over here. Even today at these levels, anytime the pressure might kick in. You can see day before yesterday they had made one high of 9632 and went up till 9672 just to fall more. So that is how this candle is formed. The prices have moved up first and then it has closed around the low of the candle. So when that is the case, this selling pressure candles are not good. So you can see Eicher Motors, there was no selling pressure at all, and it was a fresh breakout on the daily chart. Yesterday was the breakout that had happened, and now continuously it is on the upper trajectory. So this kind of stocks need to be picked. And if you see Bank Nifty, again it is at its crucial level, 60,200, 60,300 is our good level for it to break and sustain. But even yesterday 60,300 level was not taken out, and it did not sustain. You can see only minimal trading happening around this zone. So 260,200 is a good point. There you can expect the markets to be little volatile and sideways. Why? Because now we are seeing this bottom side levels are called volumes. As the market is going up, we are seeing lesser volumes on a 15-minute chart. So that is not a good thing. So even with Nifty, it is around its previous day low itself. So if the market starts to trade below 26,200 on Nifty, and we would feel the market has entered a negative zone and there might be some bearishness witnessed. So 26,200 is the level, guys. If you want to note it, you can note it down. Now it is around 26,230, and until and unless this previous day high, that means Monday 5th January high of 26,374 is taken out, we can't be bullish, and we should never be bullish, because this is one all-time high the market has made now. It has to be taken out quickly, or there will be no meaning. It means that the sellers are very active over here, and this will be the high for so many days coming forward. So as we have said, January 7th to 10th is one important time where the position will be made and it will be clear. So before that, today itself, this high should be taken off. Same as in Bank Nifty, if you want to confirm the strength in Bank Nifty, the high made yesterday 60,437, that should be taken out, and it should not trade below 60,000. So watch out this for 400 points. Yesterday's range for Bank Nifty will become pivotal range. Let me just mark it pictorially. So this range the market has to leave very fast with the support of banks. I don't know why HDFC is down this much today, and also there was a huge negative candle yesterday as well. Not sure. And also Reliance has fell around 3% today. So it is an stock related to crude and petroleum products. So this is also not good thing. I don't know why both the heavyweights are down, and some Axis Bank and ICICI Bank are holding the markets. You can see SBI also to be in a consolidating mode. It is also under the yesterday's range of high of 1015 and low of 1000. So same as in Bank Nifty, this 15 rupees range in SBI is important. We are not biased. We are not telling the market will move this side, will move that side. We are just making a view and trying to stick to it, so that we will be ready on either side how the market moves. Because see guys, this is a simple definition. You guys can see this green and red candles around 31st December, 1st January to be very smaller in range. But now if you try to say this 15-minute candle range right from yesterday morning and yesterday around the closing, so these are very big candles. We feel the volatility in the Bollinger Band has opened up. So when volatility is there, it's time to give rest for your trading, and then watch out how and which side the volatility open ups. The copper prices are moving up. Uh, they are slowly taking off supports, and yeah, they have made a good low on 29 December, and then they are holding to it. Let's see if this gold and silver. Oh, silver has been up 2.7%. We can see there was a huge sell off for these silver commodities also on 29 December, and then they have made a low pretty well, and they are moving up. So whenever this commodity price moving up, it's a shocker for the stocks that they go into sell off. You can see 5th January and 6th January candles are pretty green, and you can see our charts. Nifty yesterday it has made a sell off. Today it is around the low of yesterday. So we have to see how this will unfold. VIX is up 1%. So these are not good signs. Even the gold is kind of made its daily candle wick on the lower side and expanding on the upper side, beating the highs of yesterday. So this zone return, we can next expect the gold to be at the range of 4520. So another 40 60 600 pips movement is pending around it. I feel the gold will be bullish today as well, just like yesterday. So just with this 1 hour chart, we can be pretty clear that the markets have broken off their level and they are moving up. So the breakout level was 4400 and the markets are up 60 pips, 600 pips. I'm seeing a breakout in Hindustan Zinc option premium. So Hindustan Zinc is properly breaking the previous day high and the retest is done now. The retest of this level is also done. Let's see our resistances. Yeah, now it has strength to move till here, but this volume spike is a bit confusing. Let's wait. See guys, we wanted this type of a dip in Hindalco around this zone so that we could have entered, but it did not pitch in at all, and even this correction was not so good and well defined. uh, oh, the bank nifty is breaking out the high, guys. So it is just moving well and good. Nifty is also moving up good, but we would call it this as a first reaction, and we would see how it will be around 10 o'clock 15 minutes and 10 o'clock 30 minutes. So from there the market has to halt and then break above the levels in the second half of the trading. So until and unless we have this blue lines that you guys are able to see, just a minute, hide drawings, yeah, these three blue lines, until that is taken off, we can not be bullish at all. So that is the indicator's rule. So we are currently trading below those three blue lines, but in bank nifty we are bullish, as to say the same range of yesterday. Maybe you can see till here. Yeah, so this will be a red one, so I'll just delete this for understanding. Yeah, this level is and will be important for today. On a 15-minute also, this is just a series of green candles that has popped up now. So we want to see the strength in red candles, how they hold off. So until then, no trades in bank nifty as well. Many type of traders will be there in the market. They would have already made profits by this time and already they are posting out in their groups, but we are not one such of them. So we discard most of the trades we get. That is where we try to hold the purity of the trading. Either we take a big loss through them or big profit through them. It will be a rare trade. We will not just trade very often, and we don't try to catch every money possible. We were like that, we were doing like that. We also had that type of trading methodology and trading psychology at that time, but now it is bit stopped and refined. We are not hurrying on to trades. We know one trade can give us 1 year full of money, but you shouldn't lose the capital what you have. We have lost many times. We have lost till we have lost recently also, but we are still alive in the markets because we know it's gonna reward us for the things we have given to it, either our time, either our mind space, or discipline, whatsoever it is. Any recovery in HDFC will lead to the upside in Bank Nifty, guys. So closely watching HDFC will also be important. So let us see our indicators. Indicators are also in negative zone for HDFC, but it is a very good time for it to actually make out the lows and move up. But we would say this is too much stretched on the negative side for HDFC. So now it has to come back till the 970 75 levels. So by the time it reaches, Bank Nifty would move 200 to 300 points from there. So watch that. Watch any movement in HDFC will give you upside moves. ICICI Bank. So this 1 hour candle now I would call is overstretched on the upside. Anytime this can come out to a sideways zone and for retracement of its support zones. Okay, so the retracement zones actually can be this level where the round number of 1400 is also present for it. So this is the zone where now it should take a support, and all these moving averages are overstretched in ICICI Bank. It is too much. So whatever trade we do, guys, we should slowly turn everything to positional basis. So we might be showing you intraday moves, but in these 3 days we might have caught a very little move of ICICI Bank. But when you try to hold this all the 3 days, that is of a different level of returns you need to get. You will get. So we are planning for such things. We are planning for only positional trades here on. So we are keeping our intraday trades very light. So just like a auto sector breakout, let me open the chart. So this breakout of chart gave us steady 4 days movement. So likely the stocks will follow. Example, TVS Motors went up, Maruti also went up, M&M also went up, Eicher Motors also went up for 5 days. Bajaj Auto was also moving. So when that is the case, you just want to hold positions for 2 to 3 days in a particular sector. So even the metal sector when it is breaking out, right? So I am currently seeing this Hindustan Zinc to be moving up again. Uh, the entry was right up here, but the market did not give clear indications. Now it is moving up good. We also missed this move in Chola Fin, guys. It was a very tight range of the blue lines today. So when that is the case, it is natural that the stocks will perform extraordinarily well, just like we witnessed now. We saw this stock actually at the beginning of our day, and we got stuck in this Hindalco trade. We were in this Eicher Motors trade and the VEDL trade. Just a minute, guys. So that's the update for today, guys. We'll also be following the stocks. um, we are keeping intraday light and our positional view strong. So until and unless we are very sure about the next big opportunity in the markets, we will not be trading so much. We'll just be careful and be on the lookout for the next bigger moves in the stocks, either up or down. We'll look after whether to play bullish or bearish positions. But until then, yeah, this is it for the day, and we'll be back again for our next live sessions. Thank you, guys.